Ever dreamed of building a business that not only survives but thrives? We're diving into the secrets of crafting a business that works wonders. From scaling strategies to team building tactics, we got the inside scoop on transforming your entrepreneurial vision into a reality. Are you ready to unlock the keys to entrepreneurial success? Let's dive in. Number 1. Determine your business concept. Building a successful business involves more than just following your heart. It's about finding the sweet spot where your passion meets profitability and expertise. Take the example of wanting to start a music-related venture. While loving music is great, if you're not skilled in singing or songwriting, success might be elusive. Similarly, opening a soap shop in a saturated market demands a unique angle to stand out. To pinpoint your business concept, reflect on what you love, what you excel at, and what challenges you can solve. Consider what people seek your advice on and what topics ignite your passion. Your idea doesn't have to reinvent the wheel. You can innovate existing products or offer digital solutions with low overhead. Assess your resources, time commitment, preferred work environment, and scalability goals. Whether it's starting a franchise, launching a blog, or venturing into e-commerce, align your choice with your interests, skills, and available support. Number 2. Research your competitors and market. It's crucial to not only craft remarkable products but also understand your market and competitors. Stand out by conducting thorough research on your competitors and market dynamics. Don't just skim the surface, dive deep into primary research, engaging directly with potential customers to uncover their true needs and desires. Avoid relying solely on friends and family for feedback. They may not represent your target market accurately. Conduct surveys, interviews, and questionnaires to grasp consumer desires. Then, supercharge your strategy with a SWOT analysis unveiling your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Number 3. Create your business plan. Crafting a stellar business plan is akin to charting a thrilling adventure into the world of entrepreneurship. It's your compass, guiding investors, financiers, and your team through the maze of potential success. From an enticing executive summary to a detailed market analysis, each section breathes life into your vision. Your business plan is more than just words on paper. It's a strategic masterpiece. Dive into sections like company description, market analysis, and organizational structure with the gusto of a visionary. Every great business needs a roadmap, a mission, and a clear set of goals to thrive. Assemble your team, outline your products or services, and delve into the nitty-gritty of your marketing and financial plans. With each step, you're not just planning for success, you're building the foundation for an empire. Entrepreneurship isn't just about starting a business, it's about creating something that withstands the test of time. Number 4. Choose your business structure. The foundation of your business determines its resilience and flexibility in the dynamic world of entrepreneurship. Choosing the right structure is crucial, affecting taxes, operations, and personal liability. 1. LLC. An LLC shields your personal assets from business debts, offering a hassle-free setup and the flexibility of single-member ownership. Yet be prepared for occasional paperwork and annual fees. 2. LLP. Similar to LLC but tailored for licensed professionals, LLPs offer limited liability and minimal paperwork, although active participation is required from partners. 3. Sole proprietorship. Simplicity reigns in sole proprietorship, where you are the business, but with simplicity comes personal liability and limitations in raising funds. 4. Corporation. Corporations, with their robust liability protection and scalability, present complex setups and potential for double taxation, demanding careful consideration and professional advice. Consult with experts to ensure your choice aligns with your aspirations and safeguards your dreams from unforeseen perils. Number 5. Register your business and get licenses. Don't forget your keys to legality. Choose a memorable business name. Make it stick in minds without causing a headache. Secure your cyber real estate with a matching domain name for an online presence that shines. Understand the distinction between your legal business name and a doing business, a DBA alias. Filing a DBA might be necessary if you operate under a different moniker. DBA isn't just a name, it's a gateway to benefits. Use it to streamline banking, brand your products, or snag necessary licenses. Officialize your business and bag an E, IN file the necessary paperwork to birth your entity officially. Don't forget to grab an employer identification number EIN to ensure smooth sailing with taxes and hiring. Dot your I's and cross your T's with the right licenses and permits. Every industry and locality has its own checklist. Don't miss any crucial steps. Number 6. Get your finances in order. By separating personal and business finances, you pave the way for financial clarity and credibility. A dedicated account streamlines transactions and facilitates future financial endeavors, like securing loans or credit lines. Embrace either a proficient bookkeeper or cutting-edge software to manage your finances effectively. Modern software not only tracks income and expenses, but also streamlines inventory management and tax calculations. Anticipate startup costs meticulously, considering everything from supplies to payroll. Overestimate to ensure financial stability. Knowing your break-even point empowers you to strategize for profitability and sustainability from day one. Number 7. Fund your business. From tapping into your personal savings to exploring external avenues, the choices are vast and varied. Internal funding options like personal savings or credit cards offer quick accessibility but carry risks of personal debt or strained relationships with friends and family. Alternatively, external funding sources such as small business loans, grants, or angel investors provide a buffer against personal liabilities. Crafting a diverse funding strategy is key, blending options like invoice factoring or SBA microloans to meet specific business needs. Whether you're aiming for innovation grants or crowdfunding, selecting the ideal funding route hinges on factors like repayment timelines and risk appetite. By strategizing wisely, you pave the way for sustainable growth and financial success. Number 8. Apply for business insurance. Shield your venture against potential storms with tailored coverage. Whether you're a solo act or leading a team, insurance is your safety net. Connect with a seasoned insurance agent to craft your personalized shield. They'll navigate the labyrinth of policies to find your perfect fit. From safeguarding against liabilities to shielding your assets, the arsenal includes liability, property, and business interruption insurance. Protect your kingdom from all angles. Liability insurance defends against unexpected strikes, while property insurance fortifies your physical assets. And when disaster strikes, business interruption insurance keeps your income steady. Number 9. Get the right business tools. The right arsenal of tools can be a game changer, saving time, automating tasks, and empowering better decision-making. Consider integrating top-notch solutions such as QuickBooks or FreshBooks for seamless accounting, Zoho CRM or Monday.com for robust customer relationship management, and Airable or ClickUp for streamlined project management. Don't forget about essential tools like Stripe or PayPal for smooth credit card processing, Clover or Lightspeed for effective point-of-sale systems, and NordVPN or ExpressVPN for safeguarding sensitive data. With these tools at your disposal, along with options for merchant services and professional email hosting through Square or G Suite, you're equipped to build a business that not only works but thrives in the digital landscape. Number 10. Market your business. Allocate a budget for it to ensure your product gets the spotlight it deserves. Even if your business is rooted in the physical world, a captivating online presence is a must. Craft a website that reflects your brand's essence. It's easier than you think and can be done in a blink. Don't forget to optimize it for SEO so potential customers can easily find you amidst the digital sea. Fuel your website with engaging content that captivates your audience. From riveting videos to heartwarming testimonials, let your creativity shine. Be sure to utilize social media platforms strategically to steer traffic back to your digital hub. With platforms like Facebook and Instagram, you can reach your audience directly and even sell your products effortlessly. Number 11. Scale your business. Scaling is key. Expanding your reach and revenue involves smart marketing, product enhancement, and strategic collaborations. Streamline operations with automation tools like Hootsuite for social media or outsourcing. Utilize technology to automate tasks like accounting and email marketing, freeing up your time. Keep a close eye on finances to ensure profitability. As you grow, assemble a stellar team using hiring platforms, job boards, and social media. Consider partnerships with complementary businesses to offer clients a seamless experience and boost efficiency. Explore synergies with others in your industry or serving the same target market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.